Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Julian Divestari and today I will present about the purpose of advertising. Okay, this is article about advertising. Advertising is any platform of communication from an identified sponsor or search that draw attention to idea, good, service or to sponsor itself. Most advertising is direct toward groups rather than individuals, and advertising is usually delivered through media such as television, radio, newspaper, and the internet. Ads are often measured in impressions, the number of time a consumer is exposed to an advertisement. Advertising is a very old form of promotion with roots that go back even to ancient times. In recent decades, the practice of advertising have changed enormously as media have allowed consumers to bypass traditional advertising venues. From the invention of the remote control, which allowed people to ignore advertising on TV without leaving the couch, to recording devices that let people watch TV programs but skip the ads, conventional advertising is on the wane. Across the board, television viewership has fragmented and ratings have fallen. Print media are also in decline with fewer people subscribing to newspaper and other print media and more people favoring digital search for news and entertainment. Newspaper advertising revenue has declined steadily since 2000. Advertising revenue in television is also soft and it is split across a growing number of broadcast and cable networks. Clearly, companies need to move beyond traditional advertising channels to reach consumers. Digital media outlets are happy to step in to fill this gap. Institutional advertising goes beyond products to promote organization issues, place, event, and political figures. Public service announcement or PSAS are a category of institutional advertising focused on social welfare issues such as drunk driving, drug use, and practicing a healthy lifestyle. Usually, PSAS are sponsored by non-profit organizations and government agencies with a vested interest in the cause they promote. So, the purpose of advertising is to inform the consumer about their product and convince customers that a company's service or product are the best, enhance the image of the company, point out and create a need for product or service, demonstrate new uses for established product, announce new product and program, reinforce the salespeople's individual message, draw customers to the business, and to hold existing customers. Advertising has three primary objectives. There is to inform, to persuade, and to remind. Sentence building. Number one, what? Sentence building is what is the purpose of advertising? Number two, when? Sentence building is when did newspaper revenue start to decline? Number three, where? Sentence building is where are the most advertisements directed? Number four is why? Why does print media decline? Number five is who. Sentence building who sponsor of PSA. Number six, how. Sentence building how did print media initially decline? Verbal and nominal identification. We will see in the table. The sentence number one identification is nominal. Number two identification is nominal. Number three identification is verbal. Number four identification is verbal. Number six identification is verbal. Number seven identification is nominal. And number eight identification is nominal. Active, passive construction. Active sentence, non-profit organization and government agencies usually sponsor PSAS. Passive sentence is usually PSAS are sponsored by non-profit organization and government agencies. Active sentence, media such as television usually deliver advertisement. Passive sentence is advertisement are usually delivered by media such as television, Active sentence, consumer purchase product for viewing advertisement. Passive sentence is product purchased by consumer from viewing advertisement. Active sentence, advertising enhance the corporate image. Passive sentence, corporate image enhanced by advertising. Active sentence, advertisement announcing new product and programs. Passive sentence, new product and program announced by advertisement. Sentence pattern, we will see that sentence number 1 is use present perfect, and number 2 use simple present, number 3 use present perfect, number 4 use present simple present, number 5 use simple present. Difficult vocabulary. Number 1, enormously, the meaning is luar biasa. Number 2, Venus, the meaning is tempat. Number 3, steadily, the meaning is stabil. Number 4, stabilis, the meaning is mapan. Number 5, wane, the meaning is menyusut. Number 6, enhance, the meaning is menambah. Number 7, revenue, the meaning is pendapat. Number 8, social welfare, the meaning is kesejahteraan sosial. Number 9, impressions, the meaning is tayangan. Number 10, reinforce, the meaning is memperkuat. This is translation article into Indonesia. Reasons author use tenses. According to the article, we know the tenses that are used a lot are present tense. Author use simple present tense and present perfect tense in this article because it's told about purpose of advertising, and some facts also explain about events that still occur until now. Okay, I think this is the end of my presentation, and thank you very much for your attention.